Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, we got this cool, amazing product right here in my hand, if you can see, by the brand called Fox Novo. And pretty much what this is a sound bar you can use for your TV, your computer, your devices, whatever case may be. You guys can actually use it for any scenario if you guys want to listen to music, basically. But first thing first, let's actually open up and show you what comes inside the package first and what the product actually looks like. So when we open the product itself, you guys can see that there's the sound bar itself right here. And also inside, they provide you a little user guide on how to set up the product and how to use it. And then on the bottom, you can see that there's a little box right here. And inside, they provide you some accessory that you can use for the actual product itself. So if you guys look inside the box, you guys can see that there's a bunch of different cables. So they have the micro USB to USB cable. They provide you aux cords. They provide you some cables where you can actually use it to plug it onto your TV. So that's basically everything that comes in the package itself. Now let me show you guys the actual soundbar itself. So here the soundbar you can see, very nice kind of design product overall. For this soundbar, I believe it was like 12 or 14 inch, not too big, just a good size. You guys can actually use it for your TV screen or just anywhere you guys want to. You guys can see that the logo is right here, very nice kind of cloth material for the speaker itself. For this Bluetooth speaker or soundbar itself, it does not use the Bluetooth 5.0. This one uses Bluetooth 4.2. If you guys turn on this side, you guys can see that there's a little knob, and for this knob, you guys can actually use it to control the volume, obviously, but you guys can also use it to activate the product. So all you have to do is kind of like turn it this way. And you guys can see that the lights start blinking, so that means it's ready to be paired if you guys want to use the Bluetooth option. You guys want to use the wired option, you guys can as well. And if you guys want to use like the wired option, you guys can actually use it in the back side right here. You guys use a micro USB cable to charge the product up. And then right here we have a aux output, and this is where actually you plug it into your computer or your TV screen or whatever you guys want to do. And if you guys look at the bottom, there's 4 these other anti-slip materials, so actually will grip it onto the table or where you guys want to put it, so that way it won't be moving around when you guys are using the product. So that's basically everything that's on the product itself. The only way to find out whether or not it actually works and how well it works is to test it out. So let's do that first. So basically all you have to do is turn the knob right here to turn it on, and it'll actually let you guys pair it onto your device and whatnot. So basically, when you guys control the volume on here, that's not the maximum. So let's say you guys turn the maximum volume on the speaker itself, you guys can actually make it even louder on your devices itself. So on my iPhone, you guys saw in the test at first, you guys saw how I can still turn it up. Alright, welcome back guys. So now that you guys heard the test of the product, you can actually see how it performs and hear how well it performs. Definitely has a really nice audio and bass to this soundbar itself. For such a small and compact device, it has that very nice kind of surround sound on the speaker itself, which is pretty awesome as well. So that's basically everything that's on the product itself. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for me, honestly, I have to say that this is really worth it if you guys want one and need one, especially if you guys are looking for like a small mini soundbar. When you guys hear the audio and the bass, it performs really well. The bass is definitely not like as powerful as other like speakers that I've tested in the past. So if you guys are trying to look for a better bass kind of like device, then this one wouldn't be the ideal product for you guys. But if you guys want like a good audio, then this product definitely performs really well in terms of the audio quality. So I can totally see the main reason for why people want to get one of these or use this is mainly if you guys want to watch like a movie, if you guys want to hear like an opera or something. And I really like the option where it's actually wired or wireless. So if you guys wanted to, you guys can actually bring this to a party somewhere, to another friend's place, and just use this. But in terms of the battery life for this product, if you guys are wondering how long it actually lasts, it actually would last maximum of 12 hours if you guys are using the volume control correctly. So overall, a really amazing product if you guys want one and need one. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want one or don't need one, then don't buy one and save your money for something else that you actually do need. But other than that, that's pretty much it for a little unboxing, testing, and feedback about the product. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And if you guys like this video and you guys want to see more, then make sure to click on that bell notification in the bottom to be notified of new videos that will be coming up in the future. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace. And then for today's G Squad fan shout out day, we have